Hi and welcome to the day 23 of my 25 days of Christmas tutorial series. Today we're gonna be making 3D paper stars. Those are really quick and easy and they could be a great last-minute project. To create two stars I'm going to use one 12 by 12 patterned paper, and I decided to use a wood texture one since it will go with absolutely anything. I'm going to cut one sheet of paper into 4 6 by 6 pieces. Of course, you can use the 6 by 6 papers from the beginning if that is what you have. To create the stars, I'm only going to need one die, and this one is from the Perfect Castle die set by Paper Discovery. I'm going to take two pieces of paper and place the star on top of it, and then I'm going to send it through the die cutting machine so it cuts through two layers at one go. It just takes one go to create one star. Then I'm going to repeat this process to create the template for the second star. Next, I'm going to apply 1/8 of an inch double-sided tape onto all of the tabs at the sides of the points of the star. I'll be applying the tape to all the tabs on all 4 templates. There are some score lines that are created by the die, but for this project we're going to create some additional crease lines manually. I'm placing the template onto the scoring board, and I'm also going to draw the line to see exactly which line I should follow. And I'm going to crease the line from the very top of the star down to the bottom, just like this. It's going to divide the star in half. And then I'm going to repeat this process onto each point of the star. This way I should get 5 score lines that are intersecting at the center. And then I'm going to fold all those crease lines. The longer lines will be the mountain folds and the short lines are going to be the valley folds. So the template should look like this at the moment. I have folded all 4 templates exactly the same way, and now I'm going to use 2 pieces of twine. Those are for hanging the stars. I'm tying a knot onto the end of each loop, and then I'm going to attach them to the stars. I'm using the scissors to trim off the very tip of the star just at one point, and this one is where the rope should come out from. Then I'm applying just a tiny bit of hot glue right onto the knot, and I'm attaching them inside the star like this. A loop should come out from the point of the star, the one that is trimmed. To finish off the star, I have to connect the 2 pieces. This is exactly what we need the tabs for, so I'm peeling off the liner from one of the tabs and I'm attaching the second template to it. Then I'm peeling off the liners one by one, and I'm attaching each tab onto the opposite side of the star. I keep going the same way until I have all the tabs attached, and here I have the first star ready. By the way, in one of the previous tutorials I used the very same die to create this kind of star, which is also easy to make. I'll put a link down below in the description for you to check out. And this is what the finished project looks like. I really hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great week, and I hope to see you all again tomorrow for the project number 24.